Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGYP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But want to get the chart updated here. Although update's probably not the best word, more so just kind of confirmation of a couple levels that I talked about previously. So all in all, the chart is still perfectly fine. There is a bit of perspective that goes into that, meaning if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then the trend is still perfectly, in the bull's favor, still plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and, everything is just fine. So circling back to that word confirmation, what do I mean by confirmation? Well, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous video from yesterday. But the big point of confirmation, or I should say the first of two, is right here at $6.50. I talked about this as a level, yesterday as support. And sure enough, on the pullback, sure, it's not exact, but I think we can all agree, well within, the range here of $6.50 where the price was going down, down, and down. And then, oh, what a coincidence. It started to go sideways right around $6.50, which is a good sign. You would want to see $6.50 act as support, and that's exactly what happened today. So $6.50 confirmed as a level of support. Now, if the price does break below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. You still do have that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, and then this other green line down here at 625 as levels of support. The other point of confirmation is just the level of resistance. Again, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from yesterday, but I talked about, $7 as the next key resistance point denoted by this red line here. And sure enough, the power of charts you can see on the gap up got right up to that point and then, fell back down. So I'm not patting myself on the back. I am going to pat charts on the back though. And I promise I have not moved that line. If you don't believe me, I'm not offended. You can just go back in the video archives and watch the video from January 4th. But that has definitely been confirmed as the next key battleground that the bulls are going to have to fight through. So all in all, sure, not the best day in regards to, the day individually since the price pulled back, but taking a step back and looking at multiple days in combination, the trend is still upwards. And as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows, then the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.